In this recording, we're going to talk about the program required for our Monte Carlo simulator. And there are a couple things we need to look at in the spreadsheet before we go to the program itself. So let's talk about those. The first is here in the lower left-hand side of the calculations spreadsheet, lower right-hand corner, excuse me, is a cell in yellow, and those in our spreadsheet mean that we have named it, and we're going to call that rep results. So that one cell is called rep results. And on the detailed results page, we have a cell up here that we have the caption inside of it. It's called cumulative gain. And that here you can see in the name box has been named results. So once we know that we have those two cells named properly, then what we can do is look at our program. You should not have to modify this program for your simulator to work. You can take it right from the spreadsheet, and it should just run. So we have the button simulate, which is just the name, and we have this code is in the click event. Okay. And all this says is that for the rep, so that's our index value for our for next loop, as we explained in class. For the rep, when we're gonna count it up from 1 to 100, then we're going to get that rep num value off the calculation spreadsheet. Excuse me. We're going to have a rep num value on the first spreadsheet. It says repetition number, and that will be equal to the rep. And then the do events just causes the screen to update. And then the third statement in here is that we're going to take that rep results, what I was talking about before. So the range open parentheses rep results dot value just pulls that number in the rep results cell from the calculation spreadsheet and puts it on the underneath the results, or in the results column, underneath that results cell on the detailed results page. And the offset here just tells it that it's going to move down one each time, because every time we go through this loop, the rep, the index value of the rep here, increases. And you can see here that this is the row increase here, for the offset here. And as that gets bigger, it goes down one each time. And so as this runs, it just pulls the results of the simulation, puts them on the results page, puts the individual repetition result into the results page, and then the histogram will automatically update because you've created it using the frequency function, so it will update as it goes along. So that's how the program works. As I said, you should be able to use it as is. Just make sure you have the rep num and the results and the rep results ranges or cell named properly, and the rest of it should work properly. So if you have any trouble, of course, let me know.